So today's topic is all about sorting bubble sort. So here is a question. You can see here. Consider the following version of bubble sort. It is written here for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So in that way, by swapping adjacent elements with the decreasing order, all these things are processed. So there is a question given an array of integers, sort the array in ascending order using the bubble sort algorithm. The first of all, array is sorted in num swaps, where num swaps is the number of swaps that took place. First element, where first element is the first elements in the sorted array. In the last element, where last element is the last element in the sorted array. So in that way, you can see in my screen, there is an example given. Suppose a equal to 641. In the first stage, it is swapping and 641 is present. In the second step, it's coming 461. Third step, swapping again 416. And after that, it is coming 146 in the sorted simplify order. So array in sorted three swaps, first element 1 and the last element is 6, middle element is 4. So what is the function description here? Complete the function count swaps in editor below and count the swaps which have the following parameters. So without wasting time, we will go to the coding part. You can see here input math, input OS, all these things are written in Python 3, but we don't need these things. We will simplify it in a better way. So, okay, so I am starting my coding in Python. Import sys, after that n equal to int of input, bracket close. After that a equal to int of int of I for I in input, string function. Okay, int of string function dot strip dot split num swaps equal to 0 for I in range of n. Current swaps equal to 0 for j in range 0, n minus 1 is place if j total equal to plus 1. Swaps 21. Swaps 22. Swaps if when swaps. So here swaps are there, and after that we will copy this code again and writing here, but we will write in a different way. No need to write all those things, but first element str of a of 0 print last element str a minus 1. Okay, we are running the code and some errors are coming. Okay, let me check once where is the errors are coming. Okay, uh, various source variable variables. Okay, so little bit changing we are doing here, num swaps, and after that it works on my num swaps. Okay, now it will come. So one of two problem, nw num swaps equal to 0. So what we have done here is, and after that we need to just run the code here, and still it is okay. So you can see now, if I am running this code, you will find the all cases are totally completed. So it's showing the congratulation, you can save the code. Okay, after that I can submit the code here. Okay, so it is a very good practice to write down it in your copy so that you will remember the code forever and submit it. After the submit, you will see that all the test cases are totally passed. Okay, and you can share it. You can share the channel to any type of social media you want, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.